Hi, thank you for tuning in to Stack Veterinary Hospital's YouTube channel. My name is Susie. I am a licensed veterinary technician and I'm also the rehab practitioner here at the clinic. So today I'm going to go over with you guys phase 1 and phase 2 of your post-op surgical procedure here for at-home exercises. So typically your pet would have had either cruciate surgery, whether due to cruciate injury, possible meniscal damage, luxating patella, things like that. So basically phase 1 is very simple passive range of motion. So what you really want to focus on is trying to keep the limb in a nice straight plane. Excuse me. All right, Bubba, you lay down. Good boy. So you're basically going to want to be in this position. This is probably going to be the easiest. Obviously it might be reversed if it's the other side, but you're going to want to use one hand to stabilize the knee and then the other hand to pretty much do your movement. So again, as you can see, everything is nice and straight. Stay, buddy. And I'm going to use this hand here, my left hand, to help kind of stabilize the knee. And my right hand down here at the ankle or the hock is going to be used to move the leg itself. So very gently, I'm going to flex and then extend. And then flex and extend. Now keep in mind, post-operatively, you're not going to be able to get this much movement when you're doing your range of motion. And your pet will definitely tell you if it hurts. So do what your pet will allow. Again, you may be only able to just do very slight movements like this. That's fine. Something is better than nothing. Another thing for phase 1 is going to be a nice massage. So my favorite technique is almost like a crab claw technique. So I'm applying some gentle pressure, but I'm also kind of picking up the skin as I go. So almost like this. And you can do this all over. They won't mind. Obviously being careful when you get down to the incision site. If they don't tolerate the pinching, you can rub. That's going to help as well. Aid in circulation and warm up the tissue area. So that basically is phase 1. Phase 2, we're going to start to gradually add new things in. So phase 2, we're going to add in heat. So we're going to start with heat. Obviously making sure that there's a thin layer between your pet and the heat source. Then we're going to do our passive range of motion, so that gentle flexion and extension. But now we're also going to add in bicycling. So it's basically exactly what it sounds like. You're going to make the leg go in the position like it would be if they were pedaling a bike. All right, Bubs. Ready? Good boy. Okay. So rather than having just this hand do the movement, both hands are actually going to do the movement here. It's okay, bud. So we're going to flex the knee as we would normally for the range of motion, but then I'm also going to push it up, pull it forward, and again, this movement is down here from this hand, but now I'm going to use this other hand to push the knee down. All right, so now it's like, oops, we are pedaling a bike. I think I'm tickling his foot. Good boy. Yes. And then continue, your massage afterwards. When you're done with your exercises, definitely ice. I did not mention that for phase 1. As with the heat, you want to make sure that there's a thin layer between your pet and the ice pack. You do not want frostbite. And that is basically it for phase 1 and 2 of exercises. Thank you for tuning in.